Hello guys. So today we're gonna talk about Solana. Solana is one of the top cryptocurrencies out there, and I don't think I ever did a video about Solana, but Solana is in a great spot. So in this video we're gonna make an Elliott Wave analysis from the start of Solana. So this is the daily chart of Solana. As you can see, Solana did a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed impulse wave to the upside, okay, on a greater, a primary cycle, and then the correction, and now Solana did another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Okay, and this last move went slightly above the last high. So this is not a third wave. This is not a third wave, because third waves, they usually go at least to 161.8% of wave 1. And they break channels, they have great impulsive nature, which is not the case here. It went just above. So what's happening here? And the correction is almost from the same size, let's say it like that. Okay, this is more sharp, this is more sideways, but the size in time, it's almost the same as this one. So this means that wave 3 is probably subdividing. Okay, it's probably subdividing, and we have 1, 2, 3. This is the same size as this one, 4 and 5, and now we have, this is clearly a larger correction than these ones. Okay, and it looks like a flat. Okay, it looks like a flat. Okay, wave B doesn't go to 90%, but it goes really close. But what matters the most is the structure, and this is clearly a 3-wave move to the upside, and this is clearly very sharp to the downside, or it took out the low from wave A. Okay, it channels. Okay, sometimes we have to adjust a little bit the channel on flats. They are not so precise, but this one, it's okay. It channels well. The impulsive wave is still inside the channel, and it looks to me that if we look closer to this flat correction, it's almost done. Okay, it probably needs one more low, because this is probably a 1, 2, this is a very sharp 3 as usual, and it needs a 4 and 5. So wave C of 2 is not finished yet. So it probably needs one more low, and then we have divergence from wave 3 and 5 of wave C, and then we go up. Okay, and then we have then we probably will have, I'm already preparing here, wave 1. Okay, a smaller wave 1, and then a wave 2, and then we have a wave 3 of 3 of 3. This is like a third of a third of a third wave. Is like the most explosive wave in Elliott Wave. Okay, is where we see massive price movements. And Solana, it appears to me that is preparing for that. Is subdividing the wave 3, which sometimes it happens in markets. Wave 3 is the most extended one, and it subdivides. This is an almost completed flat wave, flat pattern, and this is also wave 1 of 3, and then we go from there. So yeah, we are in a great spot for Solana. I cannot give you like price targets, but let me just say this: it's a third of a third of a third wave. Okay, at least a third of a third wave. So yeah, this Solana is in a great spot, and I think you should know about this. So yeah, that's all, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.